She's very afraid of heavy weights. So maybe I'll do some Pilates, some yoga,
So funny.
maybe I'll walk, right? She also calorically restricts as well, right? So this woman is personally, she's my favorite woman because when we start giving her a little bit more food and we start giving her just a little bit heavier weights than the 2-pound weights that she's been lifting, in her Pilates class. And by the way, I don't want Pilates people to come for me. I love Pilates, but it's just not the main strategy for muscle building.
I also love Pilates.
I love Pilates. I do it twice a week. It's fantastic. But this woman, when she starts eating a little bit, this is what she always says to me. I can't believe I'm losing fat. I can't believe I'm losing weight by eating more.